Well, we've been working with DePe Gears now for around about 3 years, where we initially started off helping them in terms of their organic SEO and their social media marketing. They were so pleased really with the support that they commissioned us to completely revamp the website for them, along with also producing a corporate video which they could use for exhibitions.
I got to meet Angelo, who is very knowledgeable in the gear manufacturing industry. I think he's taught me everything there is to know about gears. And that education really gave me the knowledge to finish the website for DePe Gears, truly reflecting the size and the complexity of the gears that they manufacture. I think it was very important that they've got a website that makes them come across modern, caring of the environment in their operations, and that's one thing that we've really tried to include in the new website. It was a pleasure working with Angelo. Again, he's truly taught me a lot about the gear industry, and I think the end result is brilliant.